Hello everyone and welcome to Real Life English. I'm really happy you're here. In this video, you will learn English with a real life story. You will listen to slow, clear, and easy English. You will learn useful sentences for daily life and work. Today, we're going to talk about my day off. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Are you ready? Let's go. Today is my day off. I don't have work today. I don't have any plans. On my day off, I wake up late. I wake up at 10 o'clock, sometimes at 10:30. I stay in bed for a few minutes. I don't rush. I look at my phone. I think about the day. I feel calm. Then I get up slowly. I open the window. Fresh air comes in. I like fresh air in the morning. It helps me wake up. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I look in the mirror. I see my sleepy face. I smile a little. After that, I get dressed. I wear comfortable clothes. I don't wear work clothes. This is my free day. Then I go to the kitchen. I make breakfast. I like a simple breakfast. I don't cook a lot. I make eggs and toast. Sometimes I eat fruit. I like hot coffee in the morning. I sit near the window. I eat slowly. I listen to the sounds outside. Cars, people, birds. The morning feels quiet. After breakfast, I clean my room a little. I don't clean everything. I make my bed. I open the window again. I like a clean room. It makes me feel better. Then I listen to soft music. Not loud music, slow music. Sometimes I read a book. Sometimes I write in a notebook. I write about my day. I write simple things. Around 1 o'clock, I feel hungry. It is time for lunch. I go to the kitchen again. I make lunch. I cook pasta or rice. Sometimes I add vegetables. I sit down and eat. I don't watch my phone while eating. I enjoy the food. After lunch, I clean the kitchen. I wash the dishes. Then I rest. I sit on the sofa. I feel a little tired. This is normal. I drink a cup of tea. The tea is warm. Sometimes I watch a movie. A light movie. An easy movie. Sometimes I stop the movie. Sometimes I finish it. There is no plan. There is no hurry. Later in the afternoon, I go for a walk. I wear my shoes. I take my keys. I walk in the park. I walk slowly. I look at the trees. I look at the sky. I see people walking. Some people talk. Some people smile. I like walking on my day off. It clears my mind. In the evening, I go back home. The day feels long. Then I take a warm shower. The water feels nice. I put on comfortable clothes again. At night, I slow down even more. I put my phone away. I don't check messages. I don't check social media. I read a few pages of a book. Sometimes I listen to quiet music. Before sleep, I think about my day. This is my day off. A simple day. A calm day. Thank you for listening to this episode. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video. If you want to learn more real English, subscribe to Real Life English. Thank you for being here. See you in the next episode.